Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So marketing subject, many students are waiting. Let me cover few topics at least. So by the way, if you are a commerce student or management student, in many courses marketing, at least the basic subject is added. You cannot escape from this. Minimum knowledge you need to gain. So that is why this marketing subject is introduced. So what is marketing? The basic idea you will get in this video. What is marketing? Marketing means nothing but the products which are produced by the manufacturer that has to reach to the customer without any delay. So the process of production to reaching the customer is nothing but we can say it as a marketing. So how do we proceed it? Marketing system, it is the not so old. So it's a new system only till 19th century. Marketing was not developed. Then after that, slowly the process has started, and marketing means just uh, giving an awareness to the customer that what kind of products we are producing and how it can be used and what are the various methods of using that product, maybe product or services, anything it can be, whether you are giving a product or you are selling your services, anything. So everything comes under the marketing only. So this process we can say it as a marketing. In marketing, various steps are there, various concepts are there. We are going to discuss in depth. By the way, how do we got this marketing word? So this has come from Latin word that is mercatus, mercatus, which means trade. Marketing has evolved from the Latin word mercatus. It means trade. Trade means nothing but business, isn't it? So that is. Now in marketing, how you can say marketing? So that marketing description in 4 lines you can say very clearly, you can understand it. Marketing description. One is a group of people, that is buyers and sellers. Marketing means nothing but a group of people who are the buyers and sellers together. Group of people, that is marketing, you can say. In another words, a place of business activity. A place, okay, a place where business activity is taking place, that is also marketing. And also you can say a place where buying and selling takes place, a place where buying and selling take place, that is also marketing. And also a geographical area of operation, etc., a geographical area of operation, etc. In any way, if you see, the meaning is same. Some activities between the seller and the buyer where they meet at one place, nowadays not required. Through the online also people are selling wonderfully the products, and in the same way customers also equally buying with lots of enthusiasm. So that is also marketing, online marketing, direct marketing. So anyhow, that types of marketing we'll discuss later. Now right now, what is marketing, you got an understanding. Now today's class will see origin or evaluation of marketing, how it got introduced. So what are the different stages so that you got the marketing? So there are different stages that we are discussing in origin or evaluation of marketing. So these are the simple steps. How many steps are there? Step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 steps are there. How do you got the marketing? First stage is that barter system. Barter system is very important. In olden days, marketing, business, selling, purchasing, this was not there. So what people used to do, simply they used to exchange the goods. Suppose if I'm having paddy, I'm using that paddy for myself, and leftover whatever extra is there, that is to be given to somebody else. Some XYZ is there. So he needs paddy that I have given. I need sugar where he is having much sugar. So we both are exchanging it. So that is, we say it as a barter system. That was the original stage. So in the original stage barter system, it was very comfortable in those days because whoever is having extra, they used to exchange. And advantage of barter system is no mediators, directly exchanging, isn't it? And disadvantages, if you see, it's very difficult. If I want some product, I need to search many areas. Who can sell? Who is selling? According to that, I have to search the partner. And he needs my products also. mutual. So like advantage and disadvantage both were there. Anyhow, that marketing is originally came from the first stage of barter system. Barter system, no money, no cash, no dollars, simply exchanging the goods from one to another person. That was the barter system. Then after that, there were some drawbacks. To overcome the drawbacks from barter system to second step, second stage. So that is production. Production is the second stage. In production stage, what they have done, they started producing the goods much. Money system got introduced, and suppose say I'm interested in producing goods of suppose say bath soaps or toothpaste or radio, TV, anything, or cell phone, one product I'm interested. So I'll be focusing on the production of that product. So that product I'm focusing. Now in 19th century, most of the products were handmade except machines and very big items, electronic items. Apart from that, most of the products are handmade only. In handmade, what was the drawback? The cost of the product was high because handmade. And when it got introduced to machinery system and new methodology, new technology, and bulk production through a system, when we started doing this, then the production cost got decreased. And the producer, or you can say it as the manufacturer, he was focusing only on the production. And at this stage only, he introduced what is needed to the customer. What is needed to the customer, according to that I have to produce it, and I want to introduce my products to the customers at this stage. Then after that, next stage is product orientation. In product orientation, production is over, products are ready. Now in product orientation, here existing products started introducing to the customers and started reaching to the customers through this product orientation. Existing products, please remember this word. Not introducing new products, only the existing, already introduced, existing existing products already which got introduced in the market, same products they started introducing to the customers. It has to reach to the customer should have an awareness. So this existing product they started introducing to the customers, and they started knowing the needs and wants and requirements of the customer also. So they focus at this stage. Then after that, once they got an understanding that how is the marketing, how is the requirement, and what are the needs of the customer, what they are expecting, what is the price they are expecting, what is the quality they are expecting, everything at this stage. Then next fourth stage comes to sales orientation. Sales orientation. In sales orientation stage, they started talking to the customers and they started focusing on the sales. Focusing on the sales. How much is the demand? How much is the demand? Once if we know the demand, according to that we can supply. According to that we can produce also. So that concept is sales orientation. Now here they understood that how much is the demand in the market. Suppose the people required 1,000 products. If we are producing 10,000, 15,000 or something else, that extra whatever we are producing, that is waste of our time, waste of our money, and blocking of the money also. So that is why at this stage, sales orientation means how much is the demand, how much is expected by the customer. According to that, they started some estimation, demand and all these things, they started estimating. Then after that, they started producing it. Now, this stage is over. Next stage, fifth stage comes to marketing. They are producing okay, but it has to reach to the customer. How it is going to reach? You have to do some extra efforts. That extra efforts are marketing. Marketing means nothing but you have to reach to the customer, you have to convince the customer, you have to tell the customer that what are your products, how it will be useful, and you should make a good understanding towards your product. So that's marketing. So for marketing, there are some mediators entered at this stage. Earlier only manufacturer and customer was there. In marketing stage, they started appointing mediators who are going to put their extra efforts to reach that product to the customers. So that was the stage, fifth stage, marketing. Marketing stage is over. Then after that, last stage comes to relationship. Very important. Especially in marketing, remember, a good relation with the customers, it is going to be always helpful. How do you get the good relation? A good contact, a good conversation, a good faith. If customer is coming to your shop, coming to your manufacturing company, then how do you handle it? How do you talk? How do you introduce yourself? How do you introduce your products? How do you convince them? So all these things are going to matter. That everything comes under the good relationship. So with good relationship, what do you get? You'll get a customer forever because of the faith. So that faith you have to create. That faith you have to create with your good relationship. Okay. So they realize that not only marketing is not going to be sufficient. You have to maintain a good relationship with the customer also. In a friendly way, some sample products you are giving to the customer and having a good relation, and coming to know at this stage their requirements, their needs, and also the seller started recommending to the customer. Conversation, mutual, both the sides. What do you want? Now you try this one. This is good. Trust me, this is going to work out. Like a mutual conversation started at this stage because of good relationship maintaining by the uh, owner, or you can say producer or seller, anyone, whoever it may be. So these are the main stages of marketing. Able to remember what are the six stages? First one is barter system, production. They started producing. Then after that, production oriented to existing products they started introducing. Then sales orientation, according to the requirement of sales they started producing it. Then marketing they went. Then after that, good relationship with the customer. So simple, six stages. In the coming classes, we will see in depth of marketing subjects. And by the way, marketing is one of the easiest subject. Easily you can understand, you can write. Only few points you have to remember, like this: point number 1, 2, 3, 4, like this points you have to remember. Understand the concept, you can write easily. And also marketing related vocabulary also you have to learn. Then it will be easy for us, right? So anyway, stay connected. There are many subjects which already covered. Check out the playlist and don't forget to forward this video. See you in the next video. Good luck.